This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Hurricane 33X is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Myers, FL 33905 and is offered for sale by Mesa, RecVan, Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 34 feet 0 inches in length. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.